Shree Cement is going to be making its Nifty debut. So let's chat with Mr. H.M. Bangur, MD at Shree Cement, joining us on the phone line right now. Mr. Bangur, morning. Congratulations firstly. I'm sure you must be elated that Shree Cement is going to be part of the Nifty 50 club now.
Of course. It is a good celebration time, and the investors have put faith on us, which is now confirmed with the Nifty also.
Okay, Mr. Bangur, Nikunj also joining in. One of the hallmarks of Shree Cement has been that you've managed to remain as one of the lowest cost producers in the world, and that has added to your market cap and that has added to your P multiple. So some would argue that while you are the most expensive cement company in the world, you are also the lowest cement producer in the world. So what should one focus on, the expensive valuations or the fact that you're the lowest cost producer?
I have to focus on the lowest cost valuation, and investors have the choice whether they should focus on the high cost, because high cost is a fact. But at the same time, our energy cost and all other costs are lowest in the world. We are very proud of it.
Reaching that threshold where beyond which the incremental uptick which you enjoyed because of cost cutting on energy, innovation on fuel, rebooting of cost, that big adjustment is behind Shree Cement, and now it's going to be pretty much status quo, and your margin and cost will move in a band?
No, cost will come down definitely. We are working on it. There is still a scope for cost cutting. But now, for last 6 months, Shree Cement has put its focus on branding also. And now we will be continuously improving our sales position, price positioning in the market. It has to be the differential between the highest.
In last couple of years, we've seen massive consolidation within the cement industry. Some plants of JP were sold, Ultratech did some consolidation. How do you see the next 3, 4, 5 years moving for the cement industry now that bulk of the consolidation is over? Fresh capacities also, I mean, there are capacities which are getting added up, but the pace of fresh capacity addition has declined now.
Consolidation is not yet complete. Lot of consolidation is pending, and it has to happen. In cement industry now, less than 10 million ton capacity or presence in less than 2 areas, geographical areas, seems to be a weakness. You have to have a capacity as well as geographical spread.
Bangur, I want you to just stay with us, because what I will do is that I'll put out a 10-year chart of Shree Cement and a 20-year chart of Shree Cement. I'm sure you know the numbers, but this is just for the benefit of our viewers. In last 10 years, Shree Cement is up 48 times. Did you expect it 10 years ago that your stock would be at 48 times? And when you see that number...
No, we don't. We have never expected it to be so much growth orientation, or the market will value us so much. But one principle was there, and which we want to maintain. That is, we will like to remain debt-free and work within our means, and hope there is a lot of scope for improvement, valuation, and growth. There is no dearth of growth in India. Indian economy at least will be growing at 6% on a long-term basis. So, in every 12 years, we need a doubling of production. There is enough scope.
Mr. Bangur, in terms of, looking forward now, every man is always chasing a number. What's the number that you will be chasing on behalf of Shree Cement, let's say for the next decade now, as you look forward?
Next decade, now in 6 to 7 years' time, from 40 million ton, we want to focus, or we will be growing up to 80 million ton. And that is the one focus in 6 to 7 years' time we have. Market cap and all other things has to be done by the market experts. We are expert in producing cement. We will be doing it well and with better cost control than today.
Now that we're talking cement, can you become double from 40 to 80 without raising debt? Because you don't have debt. And if you're looking at doubling your capacity, then you're looking at a very large cash flow or a marked improvement in pricing. Otherwise, you cannot double your capacity without raising debt.
We will be able to double our capacity as we don't have the burden of repaying the debt. Whatever we earn, part of it goes to dividend, the rest of it remains for growth. And we have done our calculation. There will be enough margin, and at the end of 6 years, when we become 80 million ton, we still will have more cash than in our balance sheet.
Mr. Bangur, promoters do have a large holding in Shree Cement. Do you see, particularly after the policy changes, the DDT changes in particular, do you see any change to that holding structure?
No. Promoters' holding is almost frozen, and we will not be needing additional cash as we are not in any other business. There is no competitive need of cash to be diverted. So all the cash will be used for the company purpose only. We don't have to change our policy because of the external environment. Any change in DDT or other things will not shift our policy.
So no change, particularly with regard to dividend payouts either?
No, the same ratios.
Okay. All right, Mr. Bangur, appreciate your time. Congratulations. I mean, I'm sure it's a proud moment for anyone to become part of Nifty 50.
Thank you.